Hello. In industrial research, we discussed about trade union. What is the meaning of trade union? Why trade union are there? And also, we there are some points we discussed. The economic factor controlling the trade union activity, the purchasing power of the customers, of the consumer, and those economic activities are divided into short term, long term, microeconomic, and macroeconomic. Macroeconomic factor and microeconomic factor. These are the different factors controlling the union activities are consumer, the countries, people. Like employee union, we have employer union that is called EO, employers organization. Similarly, like employee organization, employers are also formally join hands for their benefits for their groups. The employer organization are formal groups of employees set up to define, represent, or advise affiliate employers and to strengthen their position in society at large with the respect of labor matters as distinct from the economic matters. That means why trade union are there, why union are there? Because it is strengthening it is fighting your interest, fighting on behalf of your interest, your demand, and commonly putting things together. Like suppose you are alone fighting something, and you have two, three members fighting the same thing. So there is a difference. So unions are helping for that. It may be your employment related, non-employment related, anything related. So there are different unions, trade unions will understand that what is there in the country, what are the different non-trade union existing, and there are also some trade union which are dedicated for particular employees. For example, there are some trade union which is for postal employee, for bank employee, for railway employee. There are different trade union which are mainly for that. And we also studied the recognition of trade union, the collective bargaining. Collective bargaining is a different chapter. We'll study more on that. How collectively the union is going to demand or going to fight with the management on behalf of the employee. So, what is the process of collective bargaining? We'll understand that in coming classes. Now, we'll understand the different types of unions and why trade union, what are the things, what are the activities. We discuss the functions of trade union, what it helps for the employee and employer. The main objective of the employees organization, EO, that means employer, is the owner of the business. They together, they jointly form one union that is called employers organization. Or similarly, they may vary to an extent in matter of detail for organization to deal with the labor problem from the employer point of view. As rightly pointed by Mr. Naval Tata, employers' organizations are required to develop the healthy and stable industrial relations. Industrial relations means any problem happening in an industry related to financial matter, non-financial matter, your work culture, your working style, your work environment, how you are developing your atmosphere and maintaining a good relations in your industry, that is called industrial relations. And this organization, these Indians are helping, whether employees organization or employers organization, they are helping to the members to maintain a good relations in the industry. This is again the same thing what is the main union is doing, promoting collective bargaining in different levels, bring a unified employees movement. Unified employers movement means everyone is talking the same thing. So if 10 people are going and discussing or talking, they will tell the 10 different things. One person representing all the 10 people. So he will summarize, he will talk in the one way. That is unified employers movement. Represent in the meetings of Indian Labour Conference, ILC. So the representative on this meeting is coming from this union, representing the meeting of Indian Labour Conference and Standing Labour Committee. ILC and SLC, these are different committees in the national level. Board of Conformity with the tripartite approach to labor matter. Employees association are performed to promote and protect interest of employers in trade and industry. The main activity is to promote and protect the interest of the employees or employers. Actually, it's for the members. It could be employees or employee. The union is promoting and helping the interest of the members. It could be employers or employee. So these are the main objective of the union, of the organization. We'll understand different types of union. Here we have given that why managerial union, why managers, if a big organization, there will be many employer, many managers. They also have unions. So why managers are forming the union, what helps they're getting, some of the major causes of formation of managerial union. So there, what is the benefits they're getting from the union? So those points are there. Narrowing wage differential, loss of identity, job insecurity, perceived need for protection, and mm, trade unionism, bureaucratic culture, absence of participative forum, promotion policies, third force between the working class and the management. So management is actually forming the union and getting the benefits to help themselves to get the identity, get the different problems sorted out from the top official, from the higher authority. and to feel more secure. Like if the union is there, they will work on the security, job security, their retirement benefits, their insurance. There are a lot of things. So it giving the job security, social security. So union is fighting for many things on that. Negotiate agreement with employers on pay and conditions. So whoever is the main owner of the company, so the union is negotiating and talking that person on behalf of the members. So that negotiation union is doing. Discuss major changes to the workplace such as large scale redundancy. Suppose there is a big change, revamp going to happen in the workplace. So that type of talk, that type of discussion, bargaining, the union can do. Discuss members' concern with employers. Any members has a concern related to their salary, bonus, their transportation, their health, anything they can members can talk to the owner. Discuss members' concern with the employer. Accompany members in disciplinary and grievance meetings. Suppose some members has done something or making a loss, making an offense, making something to the organization, there will be disciplinary action will be taken. So union is going to support and help both morally, mentally, and so they are going to stand along with you and they are going to accompany what is the process, what you are going to do. So in case of disciplinary action, grievance meeting, suppose you have a complaint and you are not satisfied on this, there is a meeting with the grievance committee. The member is going to, the union is going to support the members and that provide members with legal and financial advice. Suppose you have a dispute, you are going to take the legal steps. So union is going to help. Sometimes union is getting the financial advice, how you are getting more salary, more benefits, what is the skill you have to improve. Or the certain sometimes the union, if the union has more budget, they're going to give the financial aid to the member. So that also sometimes possible. So they are giving this legal and financial advice consultancy with the to the member, provide education facility and certain consumers benefits such as discounted insurance. Suppose you are working in the organization, you need some health insurance, for family insurance. The union is arranging who is giving good insurance, good coverage with low premium, and who is giving good discount. So a lot of things is going to arrange by the union related to the education facility, insurance facility. Education facilities means school, college, admission problem, and suppose in tuition problem. So union is going to help the members on that matter. So these are the main functions of union, trade union, which is helping its member. Members could be the employees or employers, and there are different types of union existing in our country. So you are familiar with most of the things. One thing is Indian National Trade Union Congress, INTUC. When it is started, everything is written, and who started it. So you can read it. In May 1947, INTUC was formed by Congress Party. The top Congress leader like Nehru. Nehru was the prime minister of that time. Are going to be a prime minister. 1947 means it's independent. Nehru was the first prime minister. So after independence, so that time he was the leader, and the portal were associated with it. That means both are national leader. That time, 1947. The objective of the union are to adopt the peaceful means for the settlement of the labor dispute. The government of India declared this union in 1948 as the most representative union in the country. So INTUC is the one important trade union. There are some other trade union, All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC, BMS, Mazdur Sangh. This union was formed as an affiliated to Bharatiya Janasangh Party, BMS, Bharatiya Mazdur Sangh. These are different unions. There are some other unions in the Mazdur Sabha, HMS. It was formed in 81. If you read that, there will be a little bit information about that. UTUC, United Trade Union Congress, it was formed in 1949. Center of Indian Trade Union, CITU. So all this trade union, maybe you are aware of that. And there are some trade union exclusively working for different organizations. For example, we have this Bank Employee Federation of India, BIF, BFI. This trade union is mainly for bank employee. Is a bank trade union consisting of employees of commercial bank, Reserve Bank of India, and NABARD. So anyone working in the bank can join this trade union there because they are specialized in this banking area. There is another trade union, All India Railwaymen's Federation, AIRF. This is mainly for railway employee. AIRF was founded in 1925. So all the members who are from railways can join this. There is another trade union, Postal Employees, National Federation of Postal Employees, NFPE. This is mainly for the postal employee, NFPE. So there are different unions existing in their country. All these are mainly for the top rank. So you can know or you can search some information. You are able to see and most of the things you know. So almost 1,000 plus on an average 1,000 plus employees members are there in each of this trade union. So their main objective is to solve and protect the interest of the members. As you understood, there are many areas where they can work for the members, and also they are maintaining the members' record, their name, age, everything. So that is also one activities, one areas where they can maintain. We learned different characteristics of each of this trade union, what they are doing, and how they are helping. We'll understand that, and also we'll read the merits and demerits. What are the things involved in this? How how they are helping the members, how they are not helping the members. So we'll read that. In industrial relationship, before that, you get through all these relations, like how an employee is getting affected in the industry and what are the benefits that employee is getting from the union, how union is helping the employee base, and you understand what, read this till different types of trade union. Then we'll discuss the different characteristics and how trade union is helping the people. We'll take some case study and that we'll discuss that in the next class. Thank you.